Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my journal. Ovidot here as usual. And today I'm making a very big decision. Yeah, I'm deciding to go back to funding challenges and trying out funded challenges and getting myself funded. I stopped trying funded challenges late in 2022. And the reason for that was blatantly I kept losing. I just kept losing from the challenges. I'll scale the phase one and mess up the phase two, or just clear out the phase one stupidly. Then I decided to stop. But right now, March 2025, I'm taking on that challenge back on my road to getting funded a minimum of $100,000 by the end of this year. And that's why you guys are seeing me today. That's why I'm back to YouTube and that's why I'm back to my journal, because I'll be documenting every single step. All my failures, all my wins, all my trades, my thoughts, my experience. I'll be documenting everything for you guys. This is an introduction video. I'll be posting this just like this. Then the next video I'll post is when I am actually buying the challenge. I'll be using funded next, um, because after my intensive research, I've figured out that I think I like funded next. I like their trading environment. I like their website. Funny enough, that's one thing that gets me. Their website, their dashboard is really, really nice and easy to navigate. I like their trading environment, and I like the fact that they claim to pay out very quickly, which has not been debunked. So far so good. So funded next looks like my top choice. Of course, FTMO is still up there, but right now I'm looking towards getting the most I can get with the least amount of money, still being balanced with quality. That's why I'm going for funded next. And if you want to join me on this journey, click the subscribe button, like this video. You can use the link in my description below to to get an account of funded next, of course, because yes, I'm practically recommending them. I don't know why. So, without beating around the bush so much, this is my introduction to the road to $1 million funding. So I'll be sharing this account with every one of you. I would not miss out any detail. So with that said, I'm done. Bye guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.